Today's featured car is a 1967 Alfa Romeo Spider 1600 Duetto. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California, and looked to be an all-original car. Looks like it was probably restored at some point, but still had the original wheels and hubcaps on it. Probably the original license plate, it looks like, because that would be a license plate from 1967, the black license plate with the V, starting with the V. This is part of the Series 1 of the Alfa Romeo Spider, which went from 1966 through 1969. In 1968, they didn't have a model in the US because it wouldn't pass emission standards. And if it looks like a small car, it is, because it only weighs 2,100 to 2,300 pounds, depending on the year of it. So it was definitely a small one. And it had a four-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. But that's today's featured car of the day, a 1967 Alfa Romeo Spider that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.